Good morning. This is my analysis on volatility 25, and just want to be as fast as I can so that we can profit from the market and things will be fine. So, this is my monthly time frame. Like I told us, I'm always a trend follower. I look for opportunities to follow the trend and the movement. If the market is not trending, I am not trading. Okay. So if we come down to the last part of this movement, we'll notice that price was doing, I don't know if we're seeing that, is a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and it came down to give us a lower low. But what we just saw just is that price has broken this lower high. That's broken it. Let me just put up a trend line to show what I meant by this. Okay, so if you see, we had a first touch, we had a second touch, and our third touch was broken. Our third touch was broken, and also this zone, this resistance zone was also taken out, and candle has also closed above it. This long candle you're seeing here, this long green candle, closed above this. So automatically, what price is telling us is that it is now shifting direction. Let me also put up this. So if you look at this chart very well, you see that price has broken 2252.932. So remember our movement again, went down, we went up, we couldn't break this. We broke down to this part. We're supposed to be retesting this zone, but we ended up breaking it. So what are my views on this market? What are my views on this market? Another thing I understand from this movement that started here, price has also done a first and second touch on it. So we have a first touch, we have a second touch, and price just continued its movement to the upside without making a third touch yet. But one thing is sure, price has broken this place and we should be looking for buy. Please, I beg us in the name of God, do not sell this market. If you sell this market, you might have problem. So let's look at this movement, this current movement of the market, this second place, this one that started here, 2000.8087. This whole movement here. We know that price in the future might still come back to give us this secondary test here. We know that price can still decide to break to the downside and then come back to retest either this trend line or my flip zone. Price could still do it, but let's concentrate on this movement from here, 2000.087. Let's concentrate on this movement and see what we can get out of it. So I'll go to my 4 hours time frame. So if you look at this market properly, you see that the market started here. That 2000.087 started here. It was doing a higher high, a higher low, and it broke and did another higher high here. He gave us a higher low. He gave us a higher high. So what are the chances? We have a flip zone here. So we are expecting price to come down again to touch this flip zone and then resume, to the upside. Remember, if you look at this, let me Let me just draw out all I saw here. We had a channel before that break happened. We had a channel. Let me increase the pixel to 3. We had a channel here before that break happened. Or better still, let me use the 4 hour, the 1 hour time frame. We had a channel here before. So you can see price started this movement from this downside, came down to retest, give us a second touch here, and then went up there to form a channel, after which it broke through that channel. And now if you look at what price is doing here, you see we still have another channel being formed. We still have another channel here. So if you are a good trader, we can just follow through with this until we get to can just follow through with this channel till we get through this particular zone. If you look at it very well, you see price has been doing a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. So what are we expecting here? You can analyze this again to see what price is doing. We have price touching this part of the zone and then going back on a 30 minutes time frame. So if you want to take a trade on this, you can just wait for price to come back and retest here, and that's 2240.556. Then just put your stop loss above. You get me? If I go to 30 minutes time frame, this is it. And just wait for price to come back here, retest here, put your stop loss around here. If you must take it, and then allow the price to its thing. So remember where we are targeting is this zone. Where we are targeting is this zone, this particular zone here. So when we get there, then we'll know whether what price does around here will determine whether we're going to go up or if we're going to come down again. So if you look at this market, you see it's super clear. We already know price has broken here. So what for me, what I usually do is I don't sell this market anymore. I'll just look for buy opportunities. So but I'll look for buy opportunities when price has come into this zone. I'll look for buy opportunity and close at the top. I'll close at the top. You get me? And maybe if price decides to come into this place, this is a more better place to actually enter that buy. But just note that this market is buying and no longer selling. So whatever it is you do, just make sure you are buying this market rather than selling it. Thank you and have a productive day.